okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
Let him swim. Let go.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna let you turn out. No way. No, he can jump out. He's a
Oh, no, he can't because he's got no legs on the ground. He's buoyant. He's got one little leg on the ground. There he goes. Good, he's swimming.
You need to use his legs to get strong.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. We'll put you in your little dry. Oh, look, he's floating. Look, he knows how to float. It's okay, baby girl. I know. I really want to see what he's got going on, but we're just trying to teach him to use his little legs. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. There you go. See? Yeah, you do it. There you go, buddy. Yeah. All right.
Spin you like a little motorboat. There you go. Spin. Spin around. There you go.
Does he let you pet his little chest?
Yeah, watch. Come here. When you do this.
Hi.
Watch. When you do this.
Did you poo-poo? Oh, look at his little legs. Oh, yeah. Oh. Don't jump. You scared me yesterday. Now I'm freaked out.
See, there he goes. Look, look.
Oh, he goes under.
Yeah.
He wants his little face. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to have to start putting the screen up. Yeah.